latest Chrysler in it, unique especially in classics. Take a look at 1978 Chrysler Cordoba 2-door special coupe. According to the previous owner, actual mile car at 55,827, I believe is what's on it. When you take a look at the interior, it doesn't surprise me at all. We're going to check out the original interior on this car underneath the hood. 400 V8 engine, does have the 4-barrel on it. It would be the B engine, or as far as the N code in the VIN engine designation. That is paired up with a 727 torque flight automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes also underneath the hood. Let's go ahead and check out the front of this car. Take a look at the chrome, the grille, the headlight surrounds. Nice shape up here. This particular color would be sable tan sunfire metallic, and according to the color code on the fender tag, that is the correct color this car would have originated with. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, check out the engine bay. You can see that fender tag, the underside, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. I'm going to take you right there, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. See us riding on the Keystone Classics Cooper Cobra radio tires, and take a look up and down this car. You can see the paint does show nice on it. Very nice car for any of your local cruise-in, roll-ins, local shows. See the side exiting exhaust. It's got MagnaFlow tips on it, so you have to take a look at the underside, see if it was MagnaFlow mufflers on or not. 60/40 split bench seat, and this is also the correct interior. This car would have originated with pretty much everything stock on the interior from what I can see. As far as the vinyl top, also the way the car would have originated. It's the optional vinyl Landau roof. It does appear that the driver's side has a spot that's been replaced. This looks original on this side. When I get around there, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Wanted to point out one little dinger. One little dinger I did notice, been touched up in the trunk there. And again, those still pictures, so you can look at every angle of this car, the underside, the interior. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Aluminum radiator has been added underneath the hood. We're going to see that when we pop the hood on this car. This was also a Windsor, Ontario factory built Cordoba. Take a look up and down the driver's side here. Again, you can see nice and straight. And here's that spot where I was talking about the vinyl roof. I think this is the area that has been replaced. Obviously you can see this looks original, tad bit darker compared to the driver's side. All right, let's go ahead and check out the interior of this. Now, the one thing I will say is if I get up on top of this cloth, it's going to wash out a little bit. It is considered tan as far as the fender tag and the color of it, and that is correct, and to me it looks original. Checked out a sample online of the original fabric, and it matches up to this beautifully. And it's a little more brown. It's about, if I step back, like right there is the true color of that seat. Of course, you have the nap of the fabric, which will change shades on a little bit too. All right, dash, not cracked on the top, not showing any checking, sunbake, anything like that. Appears the car was definitely stored indoors. The two things previous owner also mentioned, AC's gonna need a little TLC, and the radio did not power up or work for him. Horn works, windows, power windows work, wipers work, so good there. Let's go ahead and fire that 400 up. Starts very easily. Fasten seatbelt warning going, that's off. Now, as far as gauges, we have oil pressure over here. That works fine. Battery gauge, temp, fuel gauges, so all the gauges work. track miles, 55,831. Nice sounding car. And hey, take a look at that. Clock even works. Nice little rumble coming out of that. 400. Sounds good. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood for you so we check out that engine bay. So give me a second. Let's get that hood open and check it out.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's an aluminum radiator I mentioned was added. Looks like a Champion brand. There's some chrome valve covers, a little dress up underneath there. Smooth runner. Sounds good. Good power steering, power brakes, AC, 12-meter old PLC. There you go. Interested in a Cordoba? Definitely give us a call on this one. Previous ones we have sold rather quickly. 1978 Chrysler Cordoba special two-door coupe. Phone number 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or